Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a very cute crochet velvet top. The written pattern is available on my website in size small up to 5XL. I will put the link in the description below. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button. This way you will receive notifications when I upload new free patterns. For this crop top you will need Katia velvet fine, which is fingering weight yarn, and you will need crochet hook size 4.5 mm. In row 1 we will chain 3 and we will work a half double crochet in the third chain from the hook. The turning chains do not count as a stitch in this pattern. In row 2 we will chain 2 and we will work 3 half double crochet stitches in the half double crochet from the previous row. In this pattern we will work wide half double crochet stitches, which means we work the half double crochet stitches in between the stitches. So keep in mind when I say half double crochet, always work them in between the stitches. In row 3 we will chain 2, work 2 half double crochet stitches in the first stitch, one half double crochet in each stitch till the end, and then we will end the row with 2 half double crochet stitches in the last stitch. We now have a total of 5 stitches at the end of row 3. For size small, repeat row 3 until row 11, where you will have 21 stitches. Now fasten off and repeat this 3 more times until you have a total of 4 triangles. For the body we will continue working on the last triangle we made, and we chain 2, work a half double crochet in each stitch till the end, and then we will grab our second triangle and continue working 1 half double crochet in each stitch till the end of the second triangle. Then we continue with the third triangle and work a half double crochet in each stitch till the end. Finally, we will continue working 1 half double crochet in each stitch of the fourth triangle. At the end we turn our work. We now have a total of 84 stitches. In row 2 we will chain 2, and work 1 half double crochet in each stitch across. At the end we turn our work. Repeat row 2 until row 17 or until you think the top is long enough. If you have a larger cup size, you might want to add a few extra rows for some extra length. Before we continue working on the ribbing, we will chain 1 and work a slip stitch in each stitch across. Make sure to use a very tight tension, and you can also use a smaller crochet hook if that's easier. Now fold the top in half and close the side with the mattress stitch. Now fold the top inside out. For the ribbing, we will chain 12, and work a half double crochet in the third chain from the hook and in each chain across. At the end we turn our work. We now have a total of 10 stitches. In row 2 we will chain 2 and work a half double crochet in the back loop only in each stitch across. At the end we turn our work. Repeat row 2 until row 46 or until you reach the perfect measurement for your body. Make sure to stretch when you measure and wrap it around your body right below your breasts. It should be tight and comfy. Now fold the ribbing in half and join the sides together with slip stitches. Insert your hook through the 2 front loops of the half double crochet stitches, in other words the 2 loops facing you, and insert your hook through both loops from the starting chains. When you're done, fold the ribbon band inside out. Now we are going to sew the ribbon band onto the top with the mattress stitch. You can use stitch markers to keep the ribbon band in place. This will make sewing easier. For a nice finishing touch, we will work a row of single crochet stitches around the neckline. Join yarn in one of the corners and work 3 single crochet stitches in the first corner. Then continue working single crochet stitches evenly around your neckline. Make sure to work 3 single crochet stitches in all the triangle corners. We will end with a slip stitch in the first stitch and a slip stitch in the next stitch. For the straps we are going to chain 30 or until it's long enough for your size. Now slip stitch in the triangle corner on the back. If you like the chains, you can keep it like this, but I'm going to work some slip stitches. I will slip stitch in each chain across. And I will end with a slip stitch in the triangle corner where I started. Repeat the strap on the other side. And that's it. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which yarn and colors you are going to use. Hope to see you next time. Bye!